Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing In the Post series, and it is In the Post. He says, looking for his book. Oh, there we go. It's In the Post number 21. First of all, we got some stamps from packages that will go into my collection. There's one there from Gibraltar, which is very nice, or a set of same stamp from Gibraltar, and there's one there from the Isle of Man, so that might give you an idea of what sort of things we may have in this In the Post section. First thing is a very big thank you, along with some more stamps and stickers and everything else, to Jackie, or as we know her, Bob. Excuse me. Just received this very lovely Christmas card from her. It was late in the post, unfortunately. It's caught up with all these postal strikes and everything else, but a very big thank you from me to Jackie for taking the trouble to send me a Christmas card. It is very much appreciated. So that's the Christmas card. We've done the stamps. Now to get on to the important things within this In the Post, and that's the coins. Now the first one is from the Isle of Man. Let me just bring it down for you a little bit, so zoom in. This is an Isle of Man coin. It's a £1 round pound. It is from, I think it's 1998. It is to do with the, I've forgotten what the hell it is now. It's one of the organisations within the Isle of Man celebrating what they do. I will be doing an in-depth review of that coin later on. Here we have one from my friend, Mr. From my friend Mr. Bow Selector. We have two Strike Your Owns. They were the last two for Christmas last year. So you had the one leading up until I think it was early to sort of mid-December, which was a Harry Potter Strike Your Own, and then we had the next one that took over for the Christmas period, which was the Hogwarts Express. So those are two more Strike Your Owns that will go into my collection, and I will be doing a review of them for you to show you them properly in a later video, as it is with all of these coins. I'm not going to be doing a review actually here. The next one I bought was an Isle of Man, and it is the Mutiny on the Bounty crown set, but as you can see this is very cracked and very nasty. What I managed to do via Bob and several other people is they put me onto a place where I could get stuff on eBay for this, and this is a replacement jewel case for this 4 coin set. When I do the review I will change the case and I'll show you how everything opens up and all the rest of it. Next, we have something that I'm not sure whether you'll know or not. There you go. First one is, that's just one that needs to go in my collection that I've not put in for some reason. That's a Harry Potter 2022 NIFC bunk coin. We then got one where it came from Moldova. Now Moldova has a province that is part of it officially, but has been vying for its own independence for quite a while. It's claimed independence and also all the rest of it, and is not recognised by anybody in the UN apart from, I think it's either 2 or 3 other countries that have yet to claim status as an independent nation. That's a place called Transmistra, and they produced a set of 4 coins in this shape. It looks slightly unusual, and the really unusual thing about it was this set is from 2014 and it's plastic. It's not metal whatsoever. I will be doing a full rundown once I've researched that in a separate video. Just a few more things to show you on this one. The next one, on which I'll be doing a review of this particular set, I have got the next set of the 10p wildlife coins from Jersey. It is the butterfly series, and I will be reviewing this set of 6 coins as I do a separate video for this particular one. I thought this is a lovely set, and I think it would look probably very spectacular in colour, but unfortunately I don't have the colour coins, and I'm not getting the colour coins from that series. They do them in sets of 2, and they're quite expensive for what they are, in my opinion. Next, we have, now I have shown many of these in the past few months, and this one is the £2 coin, and I think it's the 4th one in the Heroes of the Antarctic Exploration series. This one will be done shortly, and I'll give you a full review when I do the actual video. So, yet another one to look forward to. Aren't I nice to you? This one, there's 2 lots of bags here, which will be probably 2 small videos. Both of them contain two euro coins from Monaco. So that will be going in with my 2 separate videos. One of them covers the very lovely but late Grace, Princess Grace of Monaco. There we go. On this one here we have the 50p, the Christmas 50p from Gibraltar. There is a £2 coin which I have on order, but it hasn't yet arrived, and I won't be doing a review of that in the near future. I might save it for, like I did earlier on in last month, do a Christmas set of Christmas coins rather than do them in the middle of the year when they really don't make any sense at all. Well, that does it for this particular in the post. There are a fair few coins there and a fair few sets there that are going to keep me busy, I would imagine, until the year, certainly until the year set comes in. I've got a few more coin videos to record from that and from previous in the posts. So if you've enjoyed this video today, can you please give me a thumbs up and add your own comments. I look forward to reading them. I do, if you think I deserve it, will you not only just give me the thumbs up for the video, but also think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so. I do 4 videos a week as a minimum, sometimes more than that, so hopefully you'll find something that you like. Okay, to close off, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And from me, until we meet up again on the next video, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.